Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Wix Studio and Squarespace to see which one is better. So if we go to Wix Studio and then we go to pricing, we're gonna see that they have different pricings and you can get your money back in 40 days. So you have the basic plan, which allows you to create 3 sites. You're gonna get a free domain for 1 year. Then you have the standard, plus, and elite. Now, if we go to Squarespace and see the plans, it starts from 15 euros, and as you can see, you won't get a custom domain for this. Now, both of them are websites builders, so it's gonna be easy for you to create websites. So if you have a business, I really recommend you to go with Wix because it has more features, and overall the payments it's cheaper, as you can see, and it's better. So as you can see, even in the basic plan, you get all these features. Of course, you won't have the e-commerce platform, but if you want to sell things, simply go with the standard one. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.